Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to cancel Audible subscription. Open the website audible.com, then click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email or mobile phone number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a drop-down arrow beside your name located at the upper part of the page. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for account details. Click on Account Details. Here you will see your current subscription. At the lower part of this page, you will see an option for Cancel Membership. Click on Cancel Membership. If you also have remaining credits, it will ask you to use it before canceling your plan. But if you wish to proceed canceling, click on the button that says Continue to Cancel. From the options provided, select the reason why you're canceling. Then click on Continue to Cancel. Now, they will recommend some offers. To proceed, click on Confirm Cancellation. That's how you cancel Audible subscription. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.